Hi, this is Preeti from the Krya team, and in today's video we're going to be looking at exactly how to use the Krya face wash. As you know, the Krya face wash comes in a powder format or an Ayurvedic choornam format. An Ayurvedic choornam is a careful blend of Ayurvedic herbs, indigenous grains and indigenous clays, and we make the formulation depending upon the skin concern that we are trying to solve. Although we have a wide range of Ayurvedic face washes, the process of using them is similar, which is why we have this demo lined up for you in today's video.
I hope you found this video informative and interesting. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos such as this. Drop a comment down below on what more you would like to see from us. Thank you for watching.